Hello there, hopefully you all been doing great. Well, in my recent video, a lot of people asked me about the difference between little and a little. I have already uploaded a video in which I have explained the difference between a few and few. And in today's lecture, we will be looking at the difference between little and a little. First of all, keep that in mind that there are some sort of adjectives that we can use before the uncountable things. For example, when we are talking about the uncountable things, that we will use a little or little. For instance, a little money or little money. But now when it comes to little or little, some students use them interchangeably, which is a blunder, not a mistake, because they are look identical, but they are very different in meaning. So first of all, if we talk about little, it shows the negative idea. When something is not sufficient or not much, then we will use little. For example, there was little time to finish the paper properly. It conveys the negative idea. It means that I got nearly no time to properly finish my paper. So in this case, we will use little. He has little patience with others. They have a little money to spend. It means that they are running out of money. So they will definitely use little. Now if we talk about a little, it shows that something. It means that a little quantity of something, but it always appeals the positive idea. For example, I have earned a little extra money. Now it conveys a positive idea, which means that I have earned a little or something extra. She has a little time to relax now. Now she has got a time, which is a little, but she can relax in that particular time, which is quite enough. I have a little milk to make a cup of tea. It also appeals a positive message, which means that I do not have a lot of milk, but I have some quantity of milk which is enough to make a cup of tea. Review. So when we are talking about not much in quantity, then we will use few. And if we are talking about the quantity of something which is quite enough or something, then we will use a little. Hopefully you got it that a little conveys the negative idea and a little conveys a positive idea. If you got it, leave us your examples in the comment section. And if you still have any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment section and I'll be glad to help you. That's it for now. See you next time.